Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to type square in your Microsoft Word document. So for doing this, for example, I wrote x2, so I want to write x square. So how do I do that? So in order to do it, you need to select 2 to make it a square. And then if you are at home of your Microsoft Word, then you can see this square. So put your cursor here and click on it. So that makes it a square. Yes. So as you can see that now it is x square. But you also can utilize your keyboard shortcut, which is, as you can see, it pops up subscript, superscript, control plus shift plus plus. Okay, so if you select 2 and then control plus shift and then plus plus, and that will also make it a square. Thanks for watching. If it was helpful, please subscribe my channel.